morning students. Today we are going to learn about place value and face value. So what is place value? Place value is the value of the digit according to its place or position in the number, such as whether the number is at ones place, tens place or hundreds place. Let us take one example. The number here is 3131. So the place of 3 in 31 is 3 into 10. Why 10? Because 3 is at tens place. So 3 into 10 will be equals to 3 tens or 30. And the place of 1 in 31 is 1 into 1. Why 1? Because 1 is at ones place. So 1 into 1 will be equal to 1 or 1. Let us take one another example of 3-digit number. So the place of 1 in 135 is 1 into 100. Why 100? Because 1 is at hundreds place. So 1 into hundreds, which is equals to 100s or 100. The place of 3 in 135. Now 3 is at which place? 3 is at tens place. So 3 into 10 will be equals to 3 tens or 30. The place of 5 in 135 is 5 into 1. Why 1? Because 5 is at ones place. So 5 into 1 will be equals to 5 ones or 5. Let us take one another 3-digit example. The number is 309. The place value of 3 in 309 is 3 into 100, which is equals to 300 or 300. The place value of 0 in 309 is 0 into 10. Why 10? Because 0 is at tens place. So 0 into 10 will be equal to 0. The place value of 9 in 309 is 9 into 1. Why 1? Because 9 is at ones place. So 9 into 1 will be equals to 9 ones or 9. Here one thing more I would like to tell you, my dear students, that 0, wherever it may be, whether it is at ones place, tens place, the place value of 0 will always be 0, irrespective of its place. Face value. What is face value? The face value of a number is number itself. Does your face change? No. Does your mother face change? No. Similarly, the face value of a number will never change. It would be the number itself. Let us take one example. The number is 31. So, the face value of 3 in 31 is 3. Whether 3 is at tens place or 3 may be at ones place, wherever it may be. 1, here 1 is at ones place. But if 1 is at tens place, then also the answer would be 1 only. The face value, if it is asked that write the face value of 1, then the face value of 1 will be 1. So the face value of 3 in 31 is 3 and the face value of 1 in 31 is 1. Let us take one 3-digit example. The face value, the number is 135. So the face value of 1 in 135 is 1. The face value of 3 in 135 is 3. The face value of 5 in 135 is 5. So what did we learn today? We learned that the place value is the place or position of the digit or a number. The face value is the digit or number itself. The place value of 0 in a number is always 0 wherever it may be. Here one more example I would like to place, my dear students, for place value and face value. For place value, we can say that last year you were in class 1. Now you are in class 2. Next year you will be in class 3. So your position changes, isn't it? From 1 to 2, from 2 to 3. In the same way, for place value, we have to see the position or place, whether the number is at ones place, tens place or 100 place. But does your face change from class 1 to class 2, or will it change in class 3? No. So for face value, the face will not change. That you have to remember. Thank you and have a nice day.